Are you having any issue with your heated seats? This is a Chevy Impala. This is a 2019. It's I believe the same from 2014 through 2021. Works on the Impalas, the CRUZE. What you're going to do is open up your hood and you're going to go into this fuse and relay box, which is right next to the battery in the front of the vehicle. Now to remove this, you're just going to squeeze these clips together, and there's 3 of them, one under here as well. And then you're just going to pop this off. And then we're going to turn that over. We're going to orient this so that it's the same as our fuse and relay box here as well. And then if you're unsure, you can look here. There's a diagram on the top, and it says 31 and 33. And it's getting a little dark here. So it says 31 is left front. So when you're sitting in the vehicle and you'd be looking out, the left front is the driver's side. So 31, and then you'd come over here and you'd look at your diagram, and let's see here, and 31 is in that top right corner there. And so then what we would do to check this out is we have a fuse puller right here that the manufacturer puts in there for you. Probably cost them, 1 cent for 10 of them, so just a little piece of plastic. So 31 is right here. This is for the left front heated seat. So this is going to be your driver's seat. So then what you're going to do is you're going to pull that, and we can just look too. Typically you can see if it's burned. If you look and you see a burn mark, obviously it's bad. If you don't, it's suggested that you take a voltmeter, multimeter is what I have right here, and I'm just going to take this and I'm going to touch this too. So if we do it and we touch it and nothing happens, then we know that this is a bad fuse. We should get a reading when I have this set at 200 of about 1. We just want to make sure that we have continuity, and so I'm going to touch here, and I do, and I'm getting a reading of close to 1. So this fuse has continuity. This is a good fuse. So if I had an issue with the left front heated seat, I'd have to look further into the seat. It is not the fuse. So I could just take this fuse and I could tuck this back into place. If I had an issue with the right front, which is the passenger, that is 33. That is the third one down, and that's a 15 amp fuse as well. And we could pull that one out, and we would just run the same test using our voltmeter or multimeter set at 200. And when I touch these two ends, if I get no reading and nothing happens, then it is a bad fuse. You can also look to see if it's a bad fuse. If I do get a reading and I can see I'm getting continuity, so I know this is a good fuse. So if I have good fuses, I would have to look into the actual seat portion and make sure that the connection's good to the heated seat, and then I would look further from there. But this is probably one of the best places to start. Just come in here and check to make sure your fuses are good. So again, it's 31, which is the top right for the driver's side, and 33, which is for the passenger, which is the third one down. They're both 15 amp fuses, and hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.